Hi, Greasy Garage Dwellers. I bet you can't guess what I'm doing today. I've got to get this old engine clean so I can do some work. Hey, thanks for tuning in to Upchuck Chops. If you're new here, I work on junk, which means sometimes I got to clean it before I do anything else to it. A little inspection. So this is going to be a little different video than normal. I'm going to time lapse it, see if I can find some royalty-free, uncopyrighted something music, and I'm going to clean this thing. We'll get a good before and after. And I've watched dumber stuff. I ain't kidding. And maybe somebody out there that it just really tickles them to see it get cleaned. So, it's just going to cost me a little time editing, so let's go for it. Here's a little before footage. We got some grime and some dirt. Some scary stuff in there. Yeah. I got my work cut out. Oh yeah. I got the makeshift sink, brushes, scrapers, plastic razor blades. I do recommend these. Sometimes you just need them. Got my heavy duty gum out, some plain water for rinsing, a little Dawn, and Dawn and water combo. So let's get to it. So there you have it. It is not perfect, but it is a lot better. Found a couple spots where there might be a little oil leakage, but yeah, it's clean enough. I can open it up and see what's going on there and see why this is backwards and stuff like that. Hope you enjoyed it. Thanks for watching. Catch you next time.